If you think all of the dirt cannot be off anymore, like you feels like your house is old, no, you can totally help everything. Hi, I'm Luxhaus Mom. Everything luxurious comes with some exhausting things at the first, because everything's good comes with a very big efforts. Just like today, I'm going to introduce you to Luxos. Luxos is a very good product for cleaning. I don't know if you can find it in your country. I'm currently living in Jakarta, Indonesia, so you can order it through Shopee, Tokopedia, and it's very cheap, but it's powerful, especially for everything gross. So if you think your toilet is no longer can be helped, like it's so dirt or it's so dirty, it's just have a lot of water stain, because water and soap just stained a lot, especially on the wall, on the ceramic. I promise you that this product is so good. It's really effective. It will just wash away off the dirt, and you can just use it as many times as you want. So I'm going to show you, here is the product. You can find it on this link as well. I'm just going to put the link down below on my captions. I also use this one on my vinyls, and it works very perfectly. I used to use one product before, and whenever I do that, my ceramics get so like they just drift the color of the ceramic, they swoosh away all the coating. So this one is totally safe for the vinyls and my ceramic as well, and it's just amazing end result. Make sure you do have the gloves and also the bowl, also the brush, and they sell it on package. You can see it over here, but they sell these things also in a package. So now I'm going to show you how I do this. I pour it on the bowl, and then after that I'm just going to brush it through all the surface that you wanted to clean up. So in here I'm going to show you guys on my toilet. I didn't have the picture of before and after because the toilet is already being clean. So I clean it regularly, like almost 2 times in a week, and every time I see it's a little bit dirty, I go on it directly. I don't want to wait. So it's pretty much don't need to have the before and after. So you see me just brush it all over the surface of this toilet, and then after that just spray with water. Do not wait too long for the chemical weights there. So you just need to spray it after you spread it. You spread it and then you spray it. If you feel like it's still dirty, just keep doing it once again and repeat the process. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys also if you have an intense kind of stain like this one on my wall. You see that yellowish part, it's pretty much so intense, so you will need a brush. This time I'm using the aluminum brush. I don't know what it called in English, so I'm just gonna call it the aluminum brusher. So this time I'm just gonna brush it with that aluminum, and it's really simple and easy to do it. See, you no longer see the yellow part on that one. So repeat the process once again. If you feel like it's still dirty, just keep doing it and brush it, and then wash it with water, and then again just brush it again with that Luxos, and then wash it water. Well, that's pretty much exhausting, but that's the way you have to do when you clean up. After this, you get all the luxurious part of the game. So you see me putting it on the aluminum. It also works on the aluminum one. So just pour it and then just spread it all, and then you just need to rinse it with water. And here I'm just using the same brush and go all over the aluminum parts, and you're done. So that's how simple Luxos, and it really works perfectly. So that is my tip for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button over here. If you have a similar channel like mine, like about cleaning also and household chores, just please do mention it down below in the comment sections and link it to your channel. I really wanted to know the most effective ways to clean the house, so it's more effortless, not really so exhausting. So thank you for watching, and bye bye. I'll see you again on another episode of Luxhaus Mom.